Okay, what's new in Premiere Pro Part 3? Now we have the ability to toggle tracks on and off and parameters on and off quickly versus one at a time, which we used to have to do, which was a little bit frustrating. It'll take a while, unlike in After Effects, where we just hold down the mouse button and we can toggle stuff very quickly and easily, which is amazing. So now in Premiere Pro, you can hold down the command if you're on a Mac or a control if you're on a PC and just select or unselect, lock or unlock, solo or unsolo, which is pretty handy. If you want to be able to do it even quicker, I've created a keyboard shortcut which basically locks everything. This is great if you're finished a piece for output and you want to duplicate up and just make sure that one stays locked. So basically you go into keyboard shortcuts, type in lock, timeline panel, lock and unlock all audio tracks. So in that case you set up the keyboard shortcut that you want in order to lock and unlock. In my case, I choose Alt, Option or Alt, and L and K, which you can see locks or unlocks everything instantly, which is great.